In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split numbers into digits in Excel. We'll take a column of numbers and spread each digit into its own column using a built-in tool. This is handy for IDs, codes, or any value you need to analyze one character at a time. Start by highlighting the cells with the numbers you want to split. Click the first cell, then drag down or use Shift-click to select the full range. You can also select an entire column by clicking its header if everything in that column needs splitting. It's okay if the numbers are formatted as numbers or text. Just be aware Excel may hide leading zeros in normal number format. Go to the ribbon and open the Data tab. Click Text to Columns to launch the Convert Text to Columns wizard. This wizard breaks a cell's content into multiple columns, and it works great for separating individual characters. Choose Fixed Width, then click Next. Delimited looks for commas or other separators, but fixed width lets us position a split between every character. In the data preview, you'll see vertical break lines that mark new columns. For plain numbers, you should get a line between each digit. If not, adjust the lines by dragging them or double-click to add or remove lines until each digit is isolated. Take a moment here. What you see in the preview is exactly how Excel will split your data. Click Next again to move to the final settings. Leave column data format as general unless you must preserve leading zeros, in which case choose text. Now set the destination so the split digits go where you want. Click into a blank cell to the right of your original data, with enough empty columns available so nothing important gets overwritten. If you choose the top left cell of an empty area, Excel will fill to the right automatically, one column per digit, leaving your source data untouched. Click Finish. Excel immediately places each digit from your selection into its own column from left to right. Scan the results to confirm the number of columns matches your longest value. If you see a row of number signs instead of digits, just widen the columns. If anything looks off, press Ctrl+Z to undo and run the wizard again, adjusting the preview or choosing a different destination. And that's it. With text to columns in fixed width mode, you can split numbers into individual digits in just a few clicks.